Oh, vintage Marc Jacobs. Can't get any better than that. Look at that. Hi Beanbeauties, Dita Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is a continuation of my unboxings for my big haul that I did from Hadrian. This one is a Marc Jacobs video. Yes, it is. And I'm excited about this one. This is a vintage bag that I could not pass up. No one else was buying it. I was like, please buy it. Don't make me. Don't make me. But Hadrian and Adrian is the person, his assistant, who packs all these up for us, and he just does a just fantastic job taping everything up. So there was a plastic, and then there was brown wrap, and then here's tissue wrap. So they come to you very, very securely. So this is a vintage Marc Jacobs. And this is a Marc Jacobs black quilted leather collection made in Italy with the gold hardware. It is gorgeous. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Let me stuff it so I can give you a good 360 on it. I don't quite know if this is like my style or not. I like the rocker kind of look. I like that. I think the bag is beautiful. The bag is beautiful. It was only $95, and I really haven't come across a lot of Marc Jacobs vintage bags. I do have a purple one that's lost. That's one of the bags that are lost, and I still haven't been able to find it. Let me see. Ooh, it does fit. Look at that. That's cute. I don't have very many east to west bags, you know, that are like this. Like, I would say it's like a half a tote bag. I got the boogie bag, the Celine boogie bag, and I really like that. And I bought this pretty much about the same time, I think. And it's probably why I got attracted to it, because I have been trying to find a second boogie bag, but I haven't been able to find one. And when Hadrian had this, I mean, I love Marc Jacobs. Look at that. And I love the quilted look. Oops, love the quilted look. So, okay, so here's the front. Oh, peekaboo. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here is the top view looking down, and then here's the top view looking with the handles down. So it only has this one snap here. There's no zipper. There's no zipper. And it does have a big old generous pocket here. We don't have to worry about the fact that the cell phone and whatever you want will fit there. And then there's just this pleated quilts back here. And I like when bags have pleats and things like this. So I think it's all, I guess I just don't know if I can carry it off, but I'm gonna try. I mean, look at that. Oh, vintage Marc Jacobs. Can't get any better than that. Look at that. Look at that. So now let's look at the inside. Now we're gonna take everything back out. Take everything back out. So on the inside, it's just one big open tote area. And it does have this beautiful zipper back here in the back. Nice and smooth zipper. And it has in here, oh, okay, it still has a little bit of the care cards. I forgot about that. But I always like when they has little extra things like that. And whatever comes with the bags when Hadrian purchases them, he passes them on to us as well too. So let's put that back in here. Zip this up. I can't see. Okay. It's very, very clean. Very, very clean. He showed us very clean. No smells. No smells. Let me show you. Here is the Marc Jacobs branding on the inside where it says made in Italy. We do have 5 feet here on the bottom. I love a bag with feet. Love a bag with feet. It can become a crossbody, but he did not have a crossbody with it, a chain or anything like that, which is why the price reflects that. And I was like, okay with that. I have plenty of things that I can add to it if I want it as use it as a crossbody, which I try to always make sure to have some kind of crossbody with me, an emergency crossbody. So I definitely will need one, but I have chains and things that I can add on to this as far as adding a crossbody. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Yeah, I don't anticipate selling this or anything. I just don't know how much. It feels a little bit big for me as far as, well, I can definitely fill it up. Be more like if I put too much in it. But I think it's probably the same size as my Celine bag. I don't know where my Celine bag is. I don't know if it's made its way in here yet or not. But I'll have to compare the sizes with them. If y'all remind me, then I'll try to compare them. But I just love the cold hardware. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I don't remember if there was any call outs. I mean, the hardware just looks almost pristine. You know, it has a few little scratches, but you know, how old is this bag? Who knows? How old is this bag? I don't know. All right, Beanbeauties, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. Hope y'all are enjoying this double series because it's a haul of things that I got from Hadrian, and then each bag will fit in its own category. So I have a couple of littles that I got from him. So there's 3 major items and then a couple of littles that I have as well too. All right, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for joining us. Love y'all. Bye-bye.